this video I'm going to walk you through how you could earn up to 3,500 naira every single day with your smartphone. But before I actually show you guys the name of the website we're going to be using to make this money, I'm actually going to be doing a live withdrawal of 3,500 naira from the secret website I'm going to be sharing with you right here in this video. It's right here that I have 3,500 naira right here in my account right here. So I'm going to be selecting the amount I want to withdraw right here, which is actually 3,500 naira. I'm going to be inputting my password right here. So let me quickly input my password. Then I'm going to be clicking on the withdraw button right here. So you guys can see right, it said success. So we're actually going to wait for this money to actually get into our bank account. It's right here that the money just came into my account right now, and you guys could see the date. First thing you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description. So once you click on the first link in the video description, it's going to take you straight to this website. So all you need to do is to just fill out your phone number, then you need to type in your verification code, which is the verification code by the side right here. All you need to do is to just copy this, or you could just like type it, then put it here. Then once you're done with that, you need to like put in your password. So once you're done putting in your password, basically just click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to be created. You can see right here, this is how your account basically looks like. And basically, once you actually use the link in the video description, you're going to be getting 3,500 naira for free for using my referral link. So basically, this platform is an investment website whereby if you actually invest your money, they're actually going to be doubling your money for you. So basically, in order for you to invest on this platform, all you need to do is to head over to the investment section right here at the down corner. So you guys are going to see that there are a lot of packages that you could actually subscribe to. So basically, if you actually invest 3,500 naira on this platform, you're actually going to be earning a daily profit of 200 naira. So all the money you're actually going to be reaping in total for the last 180 days is actually going to be 36,000 naira. So if you actually subscribe for your VIP 2, which is actually 6,000 naira, you're actually going to be getting a daily profit of 500 naira every single day. So the amount you're going to be making right here from the VIP 2 right here is actually 45,000 naira after 90 days. So basically, you could actually just go through their VIPs and actually choose the one you want to invest. So like I always advise you guys that you should actually invest what you could afford to lose, because basically I do not actually own this platform, and anytime soon this platform could actually crash. That is the reason why I always advise you guys to invest what you could afford to lose. What I do right here on my channel is to actually share with you a legit website that you could actually use to make money for yourself. So basically, if you actually look up right here, you're gonna see that a lot of people are actually withdrawing a lot of money right here from this website. So you guys can see right here that this person just withdraw 1,500 naira from this website, and you can see right here the amount keeps on going and going to tell you that this website is actually legit. You can see right here another person just withdraw another 3,000 naira right here, and this is another 1,500 naira right here to actually tell you that this website is actually legit and you could actually make money right here from this website. So for those of you that might not have enough money to actually invest right here on this website, you could actually invest the 3,500 naira you were actually given when you actually signed up for this website. That's the reason why I told you earlier to actually use my link. So if you actually use my link right here, you're actually going to be getting 3,500 naira for free. So all you need to do right here is to just head over to their VIP section right here and actually invest the 3,500 naira you are given. So all you need to do is to just click on the invest button. So once you click on the invest button right here, so all you need to do is to just go scroll down a little bit and just click on invest. So once you click on invest right here, you can see right here it says congratulations, you already unlocked the VIP 1. So basically, if you actually unlock the VIP 1, you're actually going to be making a daily profit of 200 naira every single day. So the total profit you're actually going to be making from the VIP 1 is actually 36,000 naira. All you need to do right here is to just log in into this website every single day for you to actually claim your money. So basically, you could actually claim 150 naira every single day. You could see right here, all you need to do is to just click on receive. So once you click on receive right here, this platform is actually going to give you 150 naira logging into their website every single day. So guys, this is actually cool cash for you. And by the way, if you know you found the video helpful so far, please don't forget to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, because my channel is all about making money online. I walk you through different ways you could actually use to make money online. So in order for you to actually unlock any of their VIPs, all you need to do is just click on the recharge button. So once you click on the recharge button right here, you could actually select the amount of money you want to invest right here. Like I said earlier, always invest what you know you could afford to lose. So the minimum amount of money you could actually recharge right here is actually 6,000 naira. So all you need to do is just click on the 6,000 naira. So once you're done with that, just click on recharge. So they're going to ask you to actually transfer the 6,000 naira into this account. You can see right here the account number is actually Wema Bank. So all you need to do is just copy the number right here. So once you copy the number, you could actually just go head over to your PalmPay app or your OP app to actually do the transfer. So once you actually do the transfer right here, your account is actually going to be credited. So you guys could see right here it said successful. So I actually just recharge my account right now. Once you're done recharging your account right here, you could basically unlock any VIP of your choice. Now for you to actually withdraw your money right here, all you just need to do is you just head over to the me section right here. So once you head over to the me section right here, you'll be able to like link your bank account. You can see right here I already linked my bank account. So all you need to do is you just click on add bank account. So once you click on add bank account right here, you need to actually input your bank account details. Then once you're done inputting your bank account number, so all you need to do is you just fill out your name. Then once you're done with that, just select the bank you want non-link. So you could actually just search for your bank right here. So for me right here, I actually linked my OP account to this platform. So once you're done with that right here, all you need to do is you just click on the confirm button. So once you click on the confirm button, you can see right here it says successful. So your account is going to be linked successfully. So in order for you to actually withdraw your money right now, all you need to do is you just click on this withdraw button. So once you click on this withdraw button, they're going to ask you to select the amount of money you want to withdraw. And basically the minimum amount of money you could actually withdraw right here on this website is actually 1,000 naira. And keep in mind that they're actually going to be taking 10% of whatever money you're actually going to be withdrawing right here on this website. So basically, I actually have 200 naira in my account currently because I just withdraw some money right here from this platform. And that is why I have 200 naira right here in my account. So another way you could actually make money from this website is by actually referring your friends. So basically, if you actually refer one person, they're actually going to be giving you 15 naira. If you refer 10 person right here to this website, they're going to be giving you 500 naira. So guys, I've actually said that this website is one of the best websites you could actually use to make money online for yourself. So if you know you are getting any value from the video, please don't forget to give your boy a like, smash the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. So, and again, if you know you want to ask me any question, feel free to go to the comment section and drop in your question, and I'm going to answering all your questions. So guys, that's how you could actually make over 3,500 naira every single day. And I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you know you did, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and again, like I said, always invest what you could afford to lose. So if you know you want to learn more ways you could actually make some money for yourself, I'm going to advise you click on the video popping right here on your screen to go learn more ways you could actually make money online for yourself.